Hi, thanks for taking my call. Is this a good time? Hello? Hello, are you there?
Staying connected. For many of us, there's never a good time to be disconnected from your family, friends, or workplace, even when you're on the road. Distance from cell towers, topography, as well as your car's metal roof and tinted windows play a role in weak cell reception, resulting in dropped calls and slow data rates. Now there's a solution: SureCall's line of mobile cell phone boosters. Configurable for all vehicles, SureCall's mobile boosters enhance voice and text with models covering 4G LTE data as well. You will enjoy improved strength and clarity of voice calls for multiple users. Here's how they work. Signals sent from a cell tower are received by the outside antenna, amplified by the booster, and then sent to your phone via the inside antenna. You can install the components where you most need them. When your phone transmits, the signal is sent back through the booster to the cell tower. This makes staying connected easier than ever. Installing the booster is easy, with no programming required. Simply place the magnetic mount antenna on the top of your vehicle. Then, run the antenna cable under the car door's insulation strip for a wireless look. Connect the other end of the cable to the booster, which can be placed under one of the car seats. Connect the cable from the inside antenna to the booster, and affix the inside antenna to the driver or passenger seat or headrest. Connect the power cord to the booster with the other end plugged into the DC power adapter. Then, turn on your booster and enjoy your calls and streaming data. With the SureCall cell phone boosters, you can stay connected to all of the people and events that are important in your life.
Hi, thanks for calling me back. About that...